Kilala mo rin kakapi mo rin yan? Okay. Okay, game. Takin kayo. Yung kayo siya. Takin na kayo. Takin versus Sakam. Okay, start tayo. Number 2, Brizio. Inside. Towards lang. No, fast break opportunity. Arminal. Brett. Pull up. Context. Wow. Inside pass. No. Break with it. Spin. Chan. Oh, no good. Sa Griggs. Parang melo, ha? Oh! No. What's it hard said? Too much speed. Jumper! Oh, no good. Fred. Quick feet. Pass to Wensi. Wensi finding the open man. Wensi. Number 1. Cut. 3. No! Daniel. Up. Foul. Moving foul. Blocking foul. 2 free throws. First throw. Yes, sir. Second throw, connects. Inside, oh! Galing. Chan on the move. Oh! What finger roll. Biglang nag-i-slow mo, no? Uy. Number 8 to number 18. Red. No. Number 18. Inside. Ganda. Kaya. Self-Griggs. Pang-limang rebound niya na yun, ah. No. Hey. Oh, hey. 2 points.
6-4.
Creativity. Its finest. Brino, fake, number 5. Step in, on the line. Number 8. Number 8, Wensi, traveling violation. Number 23. Faking. Uh-oh, no. To number 8, number 8. Number 8. Hesitation to Fred, deny. Oh, grabe si Griggs. What a timing on the ball. Pang-pitong rebound na agad. 18 Tarse inside by Fred. Connects.
8-4.
Inside, fading! Now, number 23, kanya ulit, spins, fading, step through, wala! Tapikan, kanino bola? Kabila, kay Blitz of bola, number 8. Oh! Same spot, same result!
10-4.
10-4. No! No good. 3-point, yes sir! South Griggs! 3! Oh! Foul!
Sideball.
Sideball! Number 20. Number 8. Oy! Same ball at Hatol. Hindi step to number 8. Hey! Inside! Yeah! Change score. 12-17. My goodness. Kung sino manalo dyan ha, lalaban sa BHU ha. 12-17. 12-7. Sorry. Up. Number 23. Wala. 3. No. Ay! Ganda na pwestuhan. Hey! Ay! Pero sayang. Hey, Jen. Ay! Ganda pasang. Sayang. Other side ball. Number 8. Blitz. Blitz pala, Blitz. No! Same ball. Number 20. Nilabas ang bola. So number 8. Number 8. Hesitation. Kabila, friend! Ah, no good. Yes, sir. Oh! Dropping! Nakalusot. Oh! Oh! Power! No! Jen! Jen, oy! Bilis! Ah! Oh! Deny! Save ball! Nice defense by Verog! Denying the Eurostep. Speed, nakalusot. Ay, bumawi! Chen! Woo!
12-9. Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Builds. On the right side, Tarzan on the move. Foul in the air. 2 free throws rewarded for Tarzan for his aggressiveness, attacking inside the basket paint. Pwedeng mag-flex ha. Para maganda yung laro, ha? Walang pikod dito, guys. Walang pikod. Mataray lang. No. Jen, oh! Jen ka lang! Oh! Oh! My goodness!
12-11.
Jen Griggs ka, grabe tropa mo, ha? No, Tarzan. Boy, pero no. Kay Chad, nagpapatali si Jen. Jen, inside. Pinasa. Ray. Uy, galing.
13-12. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Backboard. Sa parin yan, ha? No. Yay! 2 points.
15-12. Last 20 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. Mana Tarsay. Oy! Grabe sa itong dribble. Tarsay. Ay! Hindi na iba Jen. Jen, nagmamadali. Stepping on the line.
15-12.
15-12. Tatlo lang yan. Game on.